Like me, millions of people like to start their morning with coffee. There's something about that ritual. Recently, I got a French press coffee maker. If you've never experienced it, you gotta try it. Here's how. You fill that coffee pot with water. You fill the cup with hot water. This heats up your cup and your pot. Then you add your coffee. I like Kona. You pour the water directly on top of the grounds. It's going to be that right there. This thing is going to be the thing that filters. And the ritual of just pressing down on that French press and making that filter go through all the grinds down to the bottom, and you're done. Then you pour the most delicious cup of coffee that you have had for a long time into your cup. You need to get you a French press and enjoy a delicious, bright, clear cup of coffee in the morning. Add some whipped cream. Hey, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more.